In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed SurveyMonkey in website. Now, in order to do that, we first need to head over to surveymonkey.com and make sure that we have an account from there. You can either click on this Get Started Free or Sign Up Free options that we have right there. Now, if you already have an account, just proceed to click onto this login option that we can see right there. So let me head over and log into mine. Here is my SurveyMonkey dashboard. Now, I have in here this particular survey. Let's head over and open this. Now, just wait for this to actually open. And here is our actual survey itself. From this part, let's proceed to actually sending this particular survey. You can click onto this option right here, or you can also preview the survey if you want. You can hover right here to the collect responses option. And then from there, you should be able to see some ways to share this particular survey. So for example, on this case, you can actually share a link of this. We have in here this, just head over and then copy this. Or you can also choose the embed option. We have in here the website for the embed. Click on that. Click onto this embedded survey. Then this will load in here the code for that. Now, in here, just click onto this copy code. And once you have copied that, you can actually see it right here. We can integrate it, and this is a preview of what that will look like. You can easily connect those forms with those integrations. And on any website builder that you have, you can just select. As an example, I can have in here this website. Just proceed to click on this add block. Search in here for the embed right there. Then it can be code or embed option. For this case, let me head over and input code. And then on the actual option that will appear, click on this pencil icon in order to edit this, and then click on the Control V on your keyboard in order to copy the code that we have. And then from in there, you can just proceed to cross this, and the survey should be able to appear right here already. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.